Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to see advanced keying in Nuke. So in our previous part we have seen screen correction workflow in Nuke and we have corrected our this chroma screen. So now this is our original footage, and if you will see here, this is our corrected screens here. So now today we are going to see advanced keying in Nuke. So we will remove this screen and we will compose this shot on our any background here. So if you will see here like this, so here we will see advanced spill suppression, and also we will see how we can restore our all these hair details. So if you will compare, so easily you can see, so everything just I have restore here. So first we will remove our this chroma, then we will do final compositing in Nuke. So now here in Nuke, this is our screen corrected footage here. So please watch my previous part 1. I have explained how I have corrected this screens in Nuke. Link I have given in description. So now just I am going to start our keying here. So just take a post stamp node, press tab button and just type post stamp and just attach it here. Just double click here and just give a name. Now just simply little bit keep it here so easily we can understand. Okay, so there is a link cover from our this original screen corrected footage here. So with the help of this hide input, if you want, you can hide this input, so it will not just display this link here. So now from here just I am going to start our keying here. So here just I am going to start chroma removal with the help of IBK keyer here. So first we have to create a clean plate, then press tab button and just type IBK color node here. Then from here screen type, just we have to select this green screens. Then first adjust this size maybe 0. So we have to recover all these details here, whatever details are here. So just we have to adjust this dark light all these values here. So just little bit open this one and maybe erode value 5 here. So just we have to recover all these values here. So just maybe little bit. So maybe this is looking good here. Then after this just we have to increase a little bit this patch value, so maybe 10, and just adjust this size value. So you can see here. So this is our clean plate here. Then after this we have to take a IBK gizmo node for removing our chroma here. Then press tab button, IBK gizmo here. Then here this foreground just we have to attach with our this original plate here, and this C means clean plate, just attach it here and just hold control and just little bit adjust this flow here. Select this one, press 1 here, then double click here in our IBK gizmo node, and from here just we have to select this C green. Now press A here, so you can see our this is our alpha channels here. So just we after this we have to correct all these grains here. Then for this just simply take a grade node here, select this one, press G, double click here, and in channel just we have to select alpha channel here. Just adjust this little bit this black grains here. So maybe this one not too much, because just we have to maintain all these details here. So if you will see about this one, so now select this one, and if you will press 1 here, now again press A. So actually this is our background here, so this is not a problem here. If you will see here, because so just all these things just we have to check it here. So maybe some problems are here and some problems also are here. So just for this again just I am going to take a color lookup, then press tab button and just type again color lookup, and from here just we can adjust even black and white value. So for this just I am going to adjust alpha from here, then select this alpha, then from here just you can adjust. So if you will adjust this point, so this will adjust black value, and if you adjust this one, this will adjust our this white matte, or you can see our this core matte here. So just a little bit I am going to adjust this black here. So here I have adjusted. If you want, you can also create a core matte for this one, but this is sufficient for us. Then after this, just we have to check our this alpha value. So here if you will see white value downside which is 1.09, and if you will see here this black value which is not exact 0 here. So to use our clamp node, then again after this press tab button and just type a clamp node here. So this will actually maintain our black value and white value which is 0 and 1 here. Then after this, just we have to take a copy node, press K, and original footage will be our background here, and just hold Control and break, and this mat, whatever mat you have created, will be our foreground. So just we have to connect from A. Then after this, press tab button, just type pre-mult. Then now press 1 here, and if you will press A here, so here just I have removed our all chroma here, and if you will see here, this is our actually spills here. So now just little bit on frame 102 here. So here if you will see maximum detail, just I am maintain here. Then after this, just we have to merge this shot on top of our background here. Then we will start our process of spill suppression here. Even if you want, you can also start from here. So here just I have some backgrounds here. So if you will see here, so this is our actually background. So I have taken this image and I have reformatted here, and then after the little bit defocus here if you will see here, and after the just I have used grain node here, and just I have adjusted some our gamma value. So double click here. So if you will see, I have adjusted some this gamma value here for matching our this footage. Then just take a normally merge node, press M. So this will be our background and this will be our foreground here. Now select this one and press 1 here. So now you can see here. So here I have composed our footage on top of this background here. Even if you want, you can take this background also. So just simply you have to unplug from here and you can just connect here. So you will see this background here. Okay, so whatever background you want, you can just simply compose this shot here. So after doing this, if you will see here in our composting, these all spills. So this spill, just after this we have to remove from our footage here. Then for this, what we have to do, just we have to little bit adjust our flow here, so easily we can understand here. So here just I have adjusted little bit flow here. So now here just I am going to start our spill suppression here. So how we can remove these spills here. So just little bit click here. So we can see our tools here. So for spill suppression, just I am going to start from here. So before this, we have to do our spill suppression here. So for this, just I am going to use kill spill. So just simply click here. So you will see kill spill, p accept kill spills. So you have to install this plugins or gizmo here. So you can download this one from nukepedia.com. It's free. So just simply select this one and just click here. So now if you will see here, all spills I have removed with the help of this p accept kill spill here. So suppose if you don't have this node, then just simply disable this one, press T. If you want, you can also use key light here. So I have selected this one, original footage. Remember this one, whatever just I am doing with our this original footage. Okay, so now again select this one, just simply press tab and just type key light here. Then with the help of key light, you can also do your spill suppression here. Then again just double click here, then in screen's color simply just type 1 here. So with the help of this key light, you can also suppress your green color, and if you have this p accept kill spill, you can also use this one. Now disable this one, press D, and just enable this one, press T here. So whatever you have, you can use. Then after this, just we have to check our composting here. Here just I have apply spill suppression here, and I have removed our all green spills here. But if you want to little bit blend your footage with this background, then now after this, just I am going to start blending this footage with our this background. So for this, what just I am going to do here, again before this one, little bit just we have to do our some composting here. So how we can do here, so again take a, so this is our actually basic spill suppression here. So now take a key light again for advanced spill suppression, press tab, just type a key light. Then from here select this one, press 1 here and just pick any color. So from here just we have to select our this color, then enable this color picker from our this key light and hold Ctrl and Alt and just simply pick this color. Then after this, in our this background, just we have to use our this original plate, whatever plate you are using as a background. So just we have to connect with this BG. So I am using this one. So just I am going, so this is our background. So till grade, so this is our background, okay, because all corrections I have also done with our this background, okay. So from here just we have to connect and just simple we have to select this one, double click, and in this view result then we have to select this composite. So you will get this thing here. So this is looking good. Now if you will see here, this is our original output. Select this one and press 1 here. So you will see here some blendings here. So now you will see here, and if you want to adjust little bit, now just type frame number 102 here, and if you want to adjust this blending, then with the help of this key light and this screen gain, you can just blend this footage on top of this background. So if you want, you can just like this, you can see, okay. Even if you are changing your background, it will also work for another background. So just a little bit check it here. So just if you are suppose shifting from here, so this will also work for this one, because actually this technique is taking color from our background. So whatever background just I am using, it's just creating edge blending on top of this chroma footage here. So just simply connect it here. So now we are getting this result here. So just place it here. So this is looking good here. But if you will compare this composting with our again original footage, so this is our actually now till here final result with blending all these things here. And if you will press this one and if you will press 2, so maybe some details are missing. So you will see these little bit small hairs are missing here, and this is looking good, no problem, but these small details are missing here. So now after this, just I am going to start our process restoring all these details here, whatever details I am missing here. So we have to restore all details in our composting here, okay. So now for this, just what we have to do, so again just little bit we have to come here and again we have to do some composting here. So for this, just we have to do our composting with our this background here. So again just take a constant node, press tab button and just type constant according to our size will be according to footage, which is 1920 1080. Then from here just we have to pick this average color, then hold Ctrl Alt Shift and pick, then double click here, and from here just we have to drag and drop. So here just I have taken this constant with our this average color here. Then after this, hold Ctrl and Alt, just simply click outside. So this will clear your selections here. Then after this, just take a merge node. Then this will be our background. And A means just whatever just we have original footage. So this is our actually original footage will be our foreground here. Then from here, select this divide operations. Then select this one, press 1 here. So you will get these things here. Then after this, what we have to do, whatever just I am getting from here, just we have to merge with our this background here. So just little bit come here, so usually you can see all these things here. So now just clear all these things here. So now this is our actually final composting. If you will see here, without our restoring all these details here. So now just I am going to use this one. So just little bit place it here and hold Ctrl and just break from here. So again just we have to take a merge node. So now attach before this background, whatever background you are using, just simply attach this merge here and this divide, whatever you have getting from our this divide node, and just this will be our foreground here. And in merge node just double click here and simply operation we have to use this multiply. So now if you will see here, here I have recovered our all details here. Now just simply press D. So if you will disable this one, so you will get only this one, and if you will enable this one, so all detail just I am getting here. So usually you can see here. So now this is looking good here. So this composting just I have done for restoring our all hair details here. So now simply you can see our this. So this is our flow, final flow, if you will see here. So this is our final flow here. So this thing for creating our mat, so this thing for spill suppression, and this for blending our edges with our footage here, and this thing for restoring our details here. So now if you will check here, press H. Now play and check our final video here. So now just play and check all these things here. So now here just little bit stop this one. So I think if you will see here, some little bit this red value, maybe some little bit some here some red colors are here. So if you want to adjust this color, then after this node you can use saturation, press tab button and just type saturation here node and just double click here, and with the help of this saturation you can adjust this saturation value. According to your requirement you can adjust this saturation value. So now again just simply press H here. So again now play and check final video here. So now if you will see here, this is looking good here. All details just I am maintained here, and if you want to check this one on top of another background, so usually you can see, then from here just simply you can connect with this footage. So now again easily you can see here. So all details just I am maintained here. So like this you can compose this shot on top of any background here. So till here I have completed this shot. So if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribe my channel.